Hello everyone, and today I will show you how to join Blooket game. Now you need to know that there are three main methods in order to join a Blooket game. The first option is to simply go and click on join a game and enter the game ID that has been displayed by the host. So the host will give you the game ID, or another thing that you can actually do is to simply use a QR code that he has displayed. So simply you have to just click on the QR code, scan it, then you will be able to join a game. The third thing that you can actually do is to simply use a link that is shared by the host, and once you click on the link, you will also be able to join the game. So these are three methods in order to join a game on the Blooket, and all you need to join Blooket is an internet connection and a device like a PC or iPad or a phone. And if you want to earn tokens, you can simply sign up using your Google account in order to earn tokens and XP in the Blooket. And that's all for today's video. If you find it helpful, please support us with like, subscribe, comment, share. Thank you for watching and goodbye.